May you always find your way to higher ground. May you always keep your head held up high. Pretty little thing, you're a diamond.
Hey all, it's
Shining from
officially a summertime.
within.
Hope
I
you
can
all are
tell
enjoying
that you're
summer
tough.
in your own ways.
Just the sight of you when I'm at my weakest.
Nowadays, the weather is getting very hot, and that's why we want to stay in cool places and feel lazy. But this doesn't mean that we forget our daily housework because homemaking is a continuous process which can never be stopped. So, in today's video, I am going to share some summer homemaking tips and ideas to make the summer fun and joyful. Like here, I am giving some fun summer vibes to this bedroom. Cotton or linen bed sheets are the best for this hot summer season. To prepare my living room for summer and give it a fresh look, I started by getting this rug cleaned, which was pending from a long time because of slow winter season. Today I've got the delivery of my clean carpet and now I am all set to revamp my living space with a very basic and minimalist approach, which I will share in the video in some time only. Now this rug not only looks clean but also gives a feeling of cleanliness and hygiene. I have done some preparations for summer in my kitchen also. Mint is one of the essentials for summer, isn't it? I store some mint leaves in freezer and some in refrigerator to use it whenever needed, as this can be consumed in many ways in many recipes. We can use them for preparing mint chutney, biryani, raita, and our summer special shikanji or lemonade also. I wash and air dry these mint leaves until there is no more moisture left. I am storing them in freezer for longer usage. You can see I already have some dried mint leaves stored here and these are really fresh till now.
Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy.
Always keep some watery fruits like orange, grapes, cucumber, muskmelon, and watermelon, of course, in your refrigerator to keep you hydrated. However, before consuming these fruits, always keep them outside the fridge for some time to make them at room temperature.
I wouldn't want it any other way.
These fruits are superfoods in summer, so you can reduce your diet also by consuming these fruits in a good amount.
Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel.
I bought some new cushion covers for my sofa for this summer season. Some of them are of pastel shades and some are flower printed covers. Not much, but just swapping the colors of cushions, we can make our living room feel brand new for every season. So, with these cushions, I'm adding some light and pretty colors over here to get that summery vibes. To incorporate a summer look for our dining table,
I was
the
never the
best
one who
way I
read my
found is
songs
to
just
add this
anyone
type of
else.
light
I was always
colors.
the one to
Easy
find the
option,
spark.
right?
Conversations oh, cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting.
And
But then
also
you
keep
came
it
along and
clutter
proved
free
me
as
wrong.
much
I
as
was so
possible.
mistaken.
I am decorating it with very basic items like coasters and this pretty flower pot.
Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free. Oh, my sweet baby.
By displaying these sweet summer beauties, I am giving some summer inspired look to few more places also here and there in the living room.
To give up the ghost, no, I was so stuck.
Now I am
Kept on
replacing this
thinking about
basket
you.
which I
Wanted
had
to give
placed
up
to
'cause
keep
nothing
the
was
winter
changing.
throws with
But
this
with you it's so
green
clear.
bunch.
And now that you're here, I see colors in
I
every
think without an
spectrum. Guess I
addition of a
finally
yellow,
learned my
summer decoration is
lesson. 'Cause
incomplete.
you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make
I am dry roasting the cumin seeds or
me
zera to
wanna
make
try
zera powder.
forever. And I
I'm
feel
sure we
so
all love to
free.
use it
Oh,
in
my sweet
raita,
baby.
buttermilk or chaach, ampanna, shikanji, and some fruit juices also, especially in summer days.
And I think to
Hence, I am
myself,
preparing it in
and I'm
advance.
thinking out loud.
These
There won't
are
be
some
nothing
little
left
summer tips
for the
and
rest of our
ideas which can make
time.
our
And I
summer
know it so
homemaking
well.
easy and
I will always be
effortless.
by your
You just have to
side.
do this little preparation in advance and then enjoy your cooking with
Glue
these
all the
little
pieces back
helpers.
together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free. Oh, my sweet baby.
I have tried one more batch of mint leaves to store in fridge but not in freezer. As for some drinks or chutney, we
'Cause
want
you
the fresh one.
glue all the
And
pieces
this
back
way it will be fresh
together.
for 4 to
Yeah,
5
you
days.
take all my wrongs and
I
make them
also prepare the mint
better.
powder to
Yeah,
use in
you're
all
making me
those summer
wanna
drinks
try
and summer
forever.
food
And I
items in
feel so
advance.
free. Oh, my sweet baby.
I have also kept some black salt in a bottle so that I can use it along with these powders. And now you can prepare any summer drink or raita without any efforts in just no time. Like this curd, you see how quickly and simply is turned into a raita. Isn't this amazing? So always keep these three sachets ready and you are ready for summers.
비가 내리면 자연스레 너를 떠올려 따스해지니까 Don't know how I can
Hydration is very important in any of the seasons. However, in summer, we need to keep our body more hydrated.
You're the cure
So, have lots of water very frequently and remind other people also to have water time to time. Just a small suggestion here, don't overdrink the water at a time. Just have half cup or 2 to 3 sips of water at a time. Otherwise, your stomach may get bloated.
We're meant to be, you can't deny it.
In summer, we all crave for juices, lemonades, shakes, or any other fruit drinks. So, you can make this watermelon juice in just no time with the help of these stored mint leaves and these three homemade ingredients. See how quickly this super yummy and healthy drink is ready. You can quickly prepare shikanji also with these powders.
널 좋아하나 봐, 널 사랑하나 봐. 이제는 더 이상은 숨길 수
How can I leave my most favorite place kitchen without any touch up? So, not much, but just by this small addition, my heart is happy for this heart of my abode. I take a leave now and shall see you in my next video. Enjoy the summer and summer homemaking.
around, wanna see it now.